Good evening, ma'am. My name is Mark Napal Makasot, and my topic is about trigonometric function. So, without further ado, let's start. Find the missing acute angles. Okay. Angle E, B, and C. This one is our adjacent. And this one, 13, is our hypotenuse. So, much better if kung remember na to ang mnemonics na so ka and tuwa para mas ma-remember nato ang first three trigonometric ratio in trigonometry. So okay, let's start. Aman sa kuan sa kinin so katuwa, di ba ang naaray kuan sila na ay hypotenuse og adjacent is kini. So cos by adjacent over hypotenuse. Next, cos. Remember, not we'll try to get this. Our adjacent is 12, so we'll put I forgot. We'll put 12 over what our hypotenuse is 13. Let's put in here. To get this, we have to use, syempre we'll need a calculator, but right now I don't have any calculator and I cannot show you guys kung giunsa gud na pagkuan kay may calculator gisolve na ako sa cellphone gamit, hindi na mo makakuan ang muto nga sa kuan and in our calculator we'll just have to input this because I don't have any calculator right now, but I have already calculated it. It's just to input this and the calculator would definitely show us an answer like this: 22.6198 ba to 495, but sorry I forgot. But in the problem we'll have to ang gipangadyo kay angle man, so sa ato kuan calculator ato ra siya i-press ang tong TMS og it should definitely give us an answer na ngani 22 degrees 37 minutes. Og amo ni siya ang angle og amo ni siya ang angle sa kuan kini 22:37 minutes. Og kung kuan nare pa isa ang kuan ang measurement ng ato angle A. So para makuha ang kuan is ang kini siya ato rin siya i-subtract sa 90 degrees because we all know naman na ang kinintuyo ka angle is equal to 180 and this 2 is will share an sum of 90 degrees. So in our calculator pa rin, we'll just have to enter kay I don't have lagi kuan karon calculator. 90 degrees minus 22 degrees and 37 minutes. Okay. O pag input na nato ng kini ang kuan ang calculator should definitely maghatag ng answer na kini ang hatag na answer. 67 degree 23 og 0 og ang value ini ang value ang measurement ng A nato is kini set nato 67 dira ka nato sa gawas dira lamang sud 67 degrees 23 minutes kana amo na siya